Hello and welcome to Coaster Gents, and today we're doing the first Nemesis construction update of 2023, so let's get into it. So we're going to start off by heading up onto the Nemesis viewing platform to have a look over the whole construction area before heading over to the final turnaround section to see the first bit of track. So here we go then, the first look from the observation platform on the Nemesis site.
On behalf of the Phalanx, we welcome visitors to the Nemesis observation platform.
The other guy.
So heading down then into the valley to go and have a look at the first Nemesis construction update and the first track that's been put in. So let's go and have a look. So here's a look at the first bit of Nemesis track. So it's black and it's got red veins all over it. It just looks so good in person. So the whole new turnaround section has been put in, and the veins are actually on the bottom and top of the track. So the whole track is just going to be red and black and just look absolutely perfect. But we'll do constant Nemesis construction updates throughout the season. But yeah, the first bit of track's gone in, and the final inversion round there is ready to be put in. So if that's put in today, we'll catch it, but if not, I'm sure we'll be updated. So the blade entrance, there is another one up there, but there's a brand new one down here that is in the same colour black as the Nemesis track. So does that mean that the rest of Forbidden Valley is also going to get a bit of a black and red makeover? We'll see throughout the season, but that's the first sign. So here are the Phalanx lorries that have brought the track on park, and there we can see one of the inversions just behind. That's really cool that they're bringing in the Phalanx into the whole story, even it being delivered. I think it's absolutely phenomenal. So the pre-show has been testing, and it is all looking very promising, and I really do hope it does open, because that means we'd have two dark rides in the same year.
Something terrible was unearthed. The Nemesis creature, an alien predator from another dimension. When discovered, the enraged creature.
So there we go then, that wraps up our first Nemesis construction update from the first bit of track and construction that's happened. But as the project continues, we'll keep keeping you updated with all the new track that goes in. But thank you so much for watching. If you did like it, make sure to subscribe and click that notification bell, and we'll see you in the next one. That's a wrap.
Parfait, Friday.
Thank you. So glad you approved.